In this tutorial, I will introduce you to ToolKit and show you how to install it. ToolKit is a Windows desktop program that supports the rapid development and hosting of user-friendly interface tools for Woodward electronic products. Interface tools can be created for many different functions such as service, configuration, commissioning, calibration, testing, or operation. These interfaces allow viewing/editing of control values using many different visual components such as text boxes, gauges, bar charts, trend charts, etc. ToolKit is designed specifically to interface with Woodward products, including programmable and non-programmable controls. It supports communications via RS-232, 422, and 485 serial CAN or Ethernet TCP/IP networks. ToolKit requires a Windows 10, 11, or higher laptop or desktop PC, .NET 4.7.2 or higher, as well as the proper communication hardware adapters and drivers. ToolKit is available for download from the Woodward.com website. Point your browser to Woodward.com, then click the search button near the top of the home page. In the search box, enter part number 9927-1226, then click Search. In the search results, select ToolKit 6.6 or higher. Scroll down the page and click on the download link. If you do not have an account on the website, enter your name and email address in the fields and click Download. If you have an account, click the Already a Member link and log in. Then return to the download page. Once logged in, the download will proceed. Your browser may block pop-ups. If so, click the pop-up warning icon and allow pop-ups from this website. Then refresh the page. The download should proceed. After the download completes, click the downloaded file to run the installer. Follow the instructions in the install program. Once the installer is finished, a ToolKit icon should be available on the Start menu. This concludes the Setting Up ToolKit tutorial. Be sure to watch our other tutorials for more detailed information about ToolKit. Thanks for watching.